In projectile motion, the velocity vector keeps changing, okay, but the horizontal velocity of the projectile remains constant. Now it is projected at 60 degree and at one point it becomes 45 degree. Let's say the initial velocity is u and final velocity is v. So I can write u cos 60, which is the initial horizontal velocity, should be equal to the final horizontal velocity v cos 45. Now u is given as 100, so we can write 100 into 1 by 2 is equal to v 1 over root 2, or the velocity is 100 over root 2. This can be written as 50 root 2. Now this is the velocity at this point. Now to find the time after which this happens, we can use the kinematics equation for the vertical motion. So Vy is equal to uy minus g into t, where Vy is the final vertical velocity, uy is the initial vertical velocity. So Vy will be equal to 50 root 2 sine 45, because the final angle is 45, which is 1 over root 2, equal to uy. Uy will be u into sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 minus, let's take the value g as 10 into time t. Root 2 cancels out. 50 is equal to 50 root 3 minus 10 into t. T is equal to 5 root 3 minus 5. Okay, I've already cancelled the 10. So this is the final answer. You can put the value and get the answer.